Close kayo, no? Matagal na kayong magkakilala?
Oo, matagal na. Love, college days pa. Alam mo, komportable kami sa isa't isa. Ang lalim na ng nagsamahan namin. Alam mo ba, let me tell you, siya ang aking first girlfriend.
Mag-ex-jowa kayo?
Oh, that was a long time ago. Right, Robert?
Many.
Life is really strange. Can you imagine naging best friend ko pa si Minda? And naging ninang pa ako ni Gina.
I'm so happy that you're part of the family.
Oh, Rob, I feel the same way too. Cheers to our friendship.
Cheers! Let's do that. Cheers. Okay.
Oh my God.
Ano ba? Sorry. Nananadya ka ba?
Hindi, wala. Hindi niya Hindi. Aksidente lang lahat. Pasensya na. Siya sanay sa wine.
Wait,
Naninibago
there's
siya sa
broken glass.
lasa ng wine.
Are you okay? I'm sorry. I really did not mean it. Nagulat lang kasi ako sa reaction mo. Parang you're not okay when you found out yung about our past, yung past namin ni Robert. But that was a long time ago.
Ano ka ba? Hindi naman issue sa akin yun, no?